Welcome to Module 2.9, where we continue our exploration of literature review types. In this module, we'll examine three additional approaches: Meta-Analyses, Integrative reviews, and Scoping reviews. Each of these methods serves distinct purposes in the research landscape and offers unique advantages for specific research contexts. Understanding these different review types will help you select the most appropriate approach for synthesizing literature in your own research projects. Meta-analyses represent a specialized form of systematic review that employs statistical methods to synthesize results from multiple quantitative studies. This approach provides increased statistical power by combining smaller studies into a larger analyzed sample. Meta-analyses generate effect size estimations that quantify the strength of relationships or intervention effects across studies. They include heterogeneity assessment to determine whether variations in results are due to chance or meaningful differences between studies. Results are typically presented through forest plots and other visualizations that illustrate effect sizes and confidence intervals. Meta-analyses are particularly valuable in healthcare research for questions about treatment efficacy, though they require comparable study designs and outcome measures to perform effectively. Integrative reviews offer a more inclusive approach that combines diverse methodologies within a single review. Unlike systematic reviews that often focus on similar study designs, integrative reviews include both theoretical and empirical literature from various perspectives. They typically employ a thematic analysis approach to identify patterns across different types of sources. Integrative reviews are broader than systematic reviews in their inclusion criteria and synthesis methods. They offer substantial theory development potential by connecting concepts across diverse literature. This approach is particularly valuable for complex healthcare topics that have been studied through multiple methodologies, though the integration of disparate evidence types presents methodological challenges that must be carefully addressed. Scoping reviews serve to map available evidence on a topic, providing a preliminary assessment of potential size and scope of available research literature. They help identify key concepts and gaps in the existing knowledge base without the depth of quality assessment found in systematic reviews. Scoping reviews often clarify working definitions and conceptual boundaries of a research area. They provide a preliminary assessment of literature that can inform research priorities or clinical practice. Importantly, scoping reviews often inform whether a full systematic review is needed and feasible. This approach is particularly useful in emerging research areas or those with complex, diverse literature bases. The methodology for scoping reviews has become increasingly formalized with frameworks like JBI or PRISMA-ScR providing structured guidance.